Breaking into AI without a formal degree is possible with the right roadmap. This guide will walk you through the essential skills, resources, and projects to become a self-taught AI engineer. Becoming an AI engineer takes more than just learning Python and building a few projects. Many aspiring engineers focus on the wrong things, which is why they struggle to land a job. If you want a real strategy to break into AI, keep reading. I'm Hone, your trusted engineering mentor, with 20 years of experience in tech, including as a software engineer at WhatsApp before its $19 billion acquisition by Meta. I've hired engineers at Meta and know what works. I've broken the journey into 3 key steps: start, level up, and strategize. Each step builds upon the last, helping you avoid common mistakes and accelerate your career. Many people get stuck here, overwhelmed by doubts and uncertainty. They question if it's even worth starting. But you can't think your way into becoming an AI engineer, you have to code your way in. That means writing code even when it feels confusing. Everyone starts this way. At this stage, your goal isn't to become an expert but to build momentum. Don't wait for the perfect plan, just start coding. If you're unsure where to begin, interactive learning is key. I recommend DataCamp's Machine Learning Engineer Career Track if you're serious about ML, or their Associate AI Engineer Track for AI specialization. These tracks cover everything from OpenAI APIs to Hugging Face and prompt engineering. Once you've started coding and working on projects, you'll likely have built 5 to 10 small projects. Now, you face a key decision. Walk away. If you've tried coding and realized it's not for you, that's okay. Recognizing this early is a win, not a failure. You can move on without regrets. Pivot. Maybe AI isn't your thing, but you still love coding. You can explore web development, app development, game development, or data science. The skills you've built will carry over. Commit. If AI or ML excites you, it's time to take things more seriously and move to the next level. This is where you transition from a beginner to actually being good at AI or ML. Growth takes time, especially without a PhD or mentorship from a top university. But that doesn't mean you can't do it. The key is trial and error, learning from mistakes and pushing forward. What it takes to get good. At this stage, you're not just building projects, you're building smarter. Work on more advanced projects that push your boundaries. Companies don't hire you just because you've started learning, they hire you because you're good. Some people take the PhD route, but that's not the only way. If you're not going down the academic path, you need to compensate in other ways to stay competitive. Simply dumping projects on GitHub won't cut it. Employers look for real, impactful projects. How to gain real-world experience. To stand out, build things that have real value. Here are a few ways to do that. Launch an AI-powered app. Build a website using AI tools. Volunteer your AI skills for a nonprofit. Take on freelance AI gigs. Real-world impact is what sets you apart. If you're just copying tutorials, you're not pushing your limits. You need to build something that real users find valuable. There's no shortcut here, consistent learning and real-world experience are the only ways forward. If you've made it this far, it's time to be strategic about your career path. You have 3 options. Option 1, be your own boss. You can work on projects that interest you, explore various areas, and enhance your skill set. But there's no guarantee of a steady income, and you'll need a high level of discipline to stay productive. Option 2, pivot again. If AI still feels too tough, you can explore another tech field. But remember, all tech fields are challenging. If you're quitting just because it's hard, you might find yourself quitting again after switching. Ensure this decision aligns with your long-term goals and passion. Option 3, stay on the AI/ML path. If you're committed to AI or ML, you now need to optimize your job search. This means focusing on interviewing skills. If you're getting interviews but no offers, you need to practice. Mock interviews, leak code, and recording yourself answering questions can help. Resume optimization. If you're not getting interviews at all, your resume likely needs work. Recruiters spend only 6 to 8 seconds scanning resumes. If yours isn't catching their attention, it needs improvement. As a reference, for every 100 applications, you should expect 10 to 20 responses. If you're getting fewer than 5, revise your resume. Check out my Ultimate Resume Handbook on my website for guidance. If $20 is a stretch, grab my free resume checklist or watch my video on improving your resume for free. Becoming an AI engineer is a journey, but with the right strategy, you can fast-track your way to success. Remember, start by coding and building momentum, level up by working on impactful, real-world projects, strategize your career path for maximum success. There's no shortcut, Just consistent learning and smart decision making. Stay focused, keep building, and success will follow. Thank you for exploring the ultimate guide to becoming a self-taught AI engineer with us. Are you excited about the video? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more cool AI tool recommendations, like, share and subscribe to check out these videos next.